Hey guys, it's Mitch here at Snowdon, and I just want to talk about a little bit about our power ventors. We've got factory direct replacements. You know, we've got the Trane units, we've got Lennox units, we got Hvac units, we've got all the different brands. We carry them in stock. They're direct replacements. They're identical to the originals. Question I get asked a lot is how come our power ventors last longer than the originals? And it's a pretty simple thing. We put in a double pole single throw relay so that when your unit goes from the heating to cooling, you're not running current through your power venter all summer long, creating condensation, and the units end up rusting out. So that way when you cut the current, we find that the power ventors last a lot longer, and that's it. So my name's Mitch. And if you have any questions about our videos, our training seminars, or products, feel free to give me a call anytime. My number is below, or sign up for our training seminars. So looking forward to hearing from you.